How to fix QuickBooks app not working. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for QuickBooks. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the QuickBooks application and tap on it. Now tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and hold on the QuickBooks application. You will see the Remove App option, tap on that and further delete the app. Once deleted, open App Store again and search for QuickBooks and reinstall the app again and wait for the download to complete. Once completed, launch the app and use the application further, and with this, your QuickBooks application should be working just fine. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.